Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sketch circle in Photoshop step by step. Create a new layer, shape tool, right click, ellipse tool, move shape, then draw a circle, hold shape, draw a circle without fill or with fill, or without stroke or with stroke. Okay, then step 1, go to edit tab, transform path, skew. Okay, and step 2, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, skew. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.